I'm Lauren Phipps, Director and Senior Analyst on the Circular Economy at GreenBiz. There is a lot of buzz around the potential to build more circular systems, and it's going to take many different approaches to bring theory into reality. However, one of the most overhyped trends we're seeing right now is advanced or chemical recycling as the big way to solve the plastics waste crisis. Now, I'm referring to the class of technologies that can turn films, synthetic textiles, and other lower value materials into like-new quality. Plastics demand and production are continuing to grow, so advanced recycling has been hyped as the big way to manage our resulting waste, keeping it out of waterways and oceans, and decreasing our reliance on virgin materials. In theory, amazing, but it is important to recognize that these technologies are expensive, energy intensive, and they are slow to scale. But even more importantly, let's not forget that the circular economy is about designing out waste altogether. It's not just about managing it more effectively. So if we're going to focus exclusively on recycling and often downcycling, we're kind of missing the point, and we're missing the opportunity, and we're maybe even distracting ourselves from asking the harder questions of if we need some of these materials in the first place. My vote for the most underhyped trend is using circular economy strategies to achieve climate goals. When we look at global greenhouse gas emissions, energy efficiency initiatives and a shift to renewables can tackle 55% of the problem. And the other 45% come from how we make and use products and produce food, according to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. So, by evolving the way that we manufacture and consume, which is in part about keeping products and materials in use for longer, we can address a big piece of the clean economy puzzle. And if you add in the third principle of the circular economy to regenerate natural systems, the potential is clear to mitigate climate change using circular solutions. And I think this deserves way more hype than it's getting today.